loves, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing with you guys a Stitch Fix unboxing. As you guys may know, I love Stitch Fix and a lot of you guys seem to like it as well. If you are new or you're not familiar with Stitch Fix, it is a monthly subscription clothing service. They do also offer like shoes, accessories, bags, but for the most part it's clothes. So for $20 a month you do get 5 items sent to you by a personal stylist. That personal stylist is sending you pieces based on your wants, your needs, your preferences. You do fill out a questionnaire that kind of lets them know your size, your like preference and like style, what you need, like all of that jazz. If you want accessories, you don't, what type of shoes you like it does ask you a pretty good amount of questions, so I feel like they get a really good idea for you. You can also send them your social media so they can see you in person and get a better idea of your style. I link my Pinterest board, and that is definitely a recommendation that I would make for anyone struggling with Stitch Fix or anyone that's new to Stitch Fix. Do a board that is based on style or even like a Stitch Fix style. If you search on Pinterest, you can look up like Stitch Fix pieces, and I just pin those to my board most of the time. I do have pieces that are not specifically Pinterest or not specifically Stitch Fix, but I have a lot of stuff that is Stitch Fix, so if the items are available, my stylist can just find them for me and send them directly to me. If you guys are interested, this top, well, it's actually a dress, is from Stitch Fix. I will link, if I have the name of it, I'll link it in the description box down below, and I'll link the video that I featured it down there too. Before we start this video, if you guys haven't already, make sure you subscribe, give this video a big thumbs up, and check out my Instagram if you are interested. I will have it linked on the screen right here, as well as in the description box down below. But I'm gonna stop rambling. If you guys are interested in seeing my Stitch Fix unboxing for this month, then please keep watching. Not only in our box do we get the clothing items, we also get a shipping bag, so you can ship all your items back free of charge. You can just put it in your mailbox and USPS will come pick it up for you. So that's in case you don't want to keep anything. We get our invoice, we get a letter from our stylist, and what else do we get? And we get a card that kind of shows us how to style the pieces. So I actually really like this card because sometimes I get inspiration for pieces that I want to request like next month, or even like style ideas. So I mean, I'm going to show you guys obviously the items that I got, but like I got this green skirt here, and like I could wear it with like a mustard color top. Like I think that's a cute idea. Or like this dress here I could wear it with like a hat, you know, like it's just a cute idea. And then you get the note from your stylist, which I really like the personalization. I actually have a new stylist this month, so I was kind of shocked. I really liked my stylist previously. I don't know why I got switched, but so far this stylist seems to really get my style as well. So I'm excited to see how they do. My stylist name is Alex, in case you guys are wondering. And yeah, the note was really cute. I'm really happy with my box. Honestly, it's probably one of my favorites that I've had in a while, so I'm really happy about that. But I'm gonna just stop rambling. Let's just get into these pieces. So you guys already saw that green skirt that I showed you, but it is from the brand Skies Are Blue. It is the Cressida skirt, and it's in an extra large, and it's $44. If you guys didn't know, I do link the brand and the item name in the description box down below, because I know a lot of you guys do Stitch Fix as well, and then you can request them from your stylist easier that way if you have the name and the style and everything. So, and size will be down there too. But this is what this skirt looks like. It is so cute. I love it so much. So it is a green skirt with florals all over it. It has the elastic waistband. It does have a tie in the center too, and it is functioning, which we love. Guess what the best part is? It has pockets, y'all. It has pockets. You guys know I love anything that has pockets. Like, this is an automatic win for me. So I just think this is really cute. It does have a little bit of a like frayed hem at the bottom of the skirt. It's just very flattering, very easy breezy, just like on the go kind of piece. I plan on going out of town this upcoming weekend. So I think this is just going to be a great piece to go with me while I'm out of town. It's like dressy but not too dressy, like still pretty casual. So I really love this a lot. It's definitely a keeper for me. This is from the brand Jolt. It's the Kolleen off the shoulder tie front top in an extra large, and it's $42. So the weirdest thing is on this top, actually it's listed as an extra large, but they sent me a large. Either way, it actually works out. It fits me fine, and I am going to keep it, I'm pretty sure. So this is what it looks like here. It is a navy and white polka dot top. It is cropped, super cute. It does have the buttons in the front. It ties right up at the neckline. It's really stretchy and elastic, which is nice because it does stay off the shoulder, and then it ties right in the bottom like so. The arms are long sleeve, and then we get that elastic at the bottom as well here. The fit was really good. Even though it's a crop top, it fits like right at the waistband of my jeans, so I really like that. I like when pieces are cropped but not too cropped, you know. But really pretty, very different piece. I think this would look great with like white jeans, or even like a white denim skirt, or just like any other color jeans. I think would look perfect with this. But I'm surprised that it's in a size large and it actually fits me. That's actually shocking. And it's labeled like on their tag as an extra large too. So I don't know. Let's see what, yeah, but then the shirt itself is labeled as large. So they must have just mislabeled this. But either way, it still fits. So I'm okay with it. Next piece we have is another piece in navy blue. This is from the brand French Gray. It's the Tula brushed knit dress in an extra large, and it's $48. So this is another piece that I love so far. The best, this one and the other two are my favorites out of the box. The last two are kind of iffy for me, but I do really like this piece. So it is a navy dress. It has florals all over it. You guys know, love the florals. If you can't tell, it cinches in at the waist, and it just kind of flows out at the bottom. The material is a very like soft and like, I don't know how to explain it. Like this, the dress I have on right now is more of like a silkier kind of feel. This is definitely like a softer feel. So I love that. The straps are really cool. In the back we have this like keyhole. It has like a high neckline and then the keyhole in the back, which I thought was very flattering. The length on the dresses at Stitch Fix are my favorite. Like they're always so good. Even like the like shorter fit dresses like this one, and even the one I have on right now, always fit me at a good length. They hit usually like right at the knee or a little bit above. Of course you guys will see it in the try on portion, but I just think that they always fit really nice. This is from the brand Kayleigh. Usually I like pieces from the brand Kayleigh, but I'm not super crazy about this one. So this is the Glenview Crewneck blouse in an extra large, and it's $36. So this is what it looks like here. It is very pretty. Side note, like it's very pretty. Don't get me wrong. So it's like a off-white color top. It looks almost like it would be like a t-shirt kind of feel, but it's like this material that I don't like. I mentioned to you guys in my last video, I had that white top that had like orange on it. I'll link my last unboxing above and down below if you want to check it out. But I got a top in the last box that was the same type of material that's like scratchy. So I don't like that. I gotta make a note because I just don't like this material. But it is an awful white top with the florals all over it. Sleeves are more like flowy, and the top is a good length in my opinion, so it's not like short or anything like that. It's just a little tight in the chest area, so that's unfortunate. And then it does also have these slits on this side. It's a good piece that you could either wear out or you could wear to work, like kind of versatile, but I just hate that material, plus it's just too tight for me in the chest. And last piece, I have actually gotten this piece before in my box in a different color. And I like this piece a lot. I'm pretty sure it's the same one. I'm like 99% sure it's the same one. I like this piece. There's nothing wrong with it. It's a beautiful dress. But I didn't like it the last time they sent it to me, so like why send it to me again? I do know I have a new stylist this time, so I'm not sure if they were just not aware of that or like what happened. But it's gonna be a pass for me. So this one is the Kayleigh Valery Faux Wrap Knit Maxi dress in an extra large, and it's $64. So this is what the dress looks like here. It's in this really pretty, they're calling it gray, but it's almost like taupey, like taupe, more like taupe-ish brown kind of color than like a true gray. It has florals in the front. It does have that wrap style detail in the front center, so it just kind of crosses over, and then it does have a tie on the side. And then as I mentioned, it is a maxi dress, so it's nice, really good length, really pretty flowers all over it, cinches in a bit at the waist. It's a beautiful dress. So don't think that I'm not saying that. It's very beautiful, but again, as I mentioned, I just don't really have somewhere to necessarily wear a piece like this. Again, if it was like a little bit of a shorter length, like I feel like I probably could get away with wearing it more. But being that it's so long, it just looks a little bit too formal for me, in my opinion. So like always, before we wrap up this video, I'm just gonna talk about the total for you guys. So if I were to keep all 5 pieces, which you guys already know I am not, the total would be $234. Now my stylists do typically do a good job of keeping my box around $200. $200, it's not the worst, it's not the best though. In my real life, like when I'm out shopping, like I better get more than 5 items for 200 bucks, right? But to me, I think of Stitch Fix as like a boutique kind of style. Like I wouldn't get these brands anywhere else. The clothing are really nice quality. They don't shrink in the wash. I don't have to worry about that like my affordable pieces. And they're unique. Like I can't find stuff like this always at other retailers. So you do get a discount though if you do keep all 5 items. You get a discount of 25%. So then that brings our total down to $175.50. $175 is better for 5 pieces. Again, still not the best. But then we also get our styling fee subtracted from the total. So for all 5 pieces, including the 25% off and the $20 styling fee, my box would be $150.50. That is definitely better in my opinion for 5 pieces of clothing. That's almost $100 off of the original $234 price. So again, I don't plan on keeping all 5 pieces, but if I were, that would be the price. I am definitely keeping that green skirt. I just love skirts. I think they're so easy to throw on. I can see myself wearing that with a jean jacket and like a cute like over the body like satchel kind of bag. Just like an easy breezy outfit. I love that dress as well. I've gotten a lot of dresses for Stitch Fix and I really like them a lot. As I mentioned, they don't typically shrink in the wash, so I don't have to worry about that. And then I really like that blue and white polka dot top because I feel like that's going to be a good piece to transition from summer to fall, which I'm so excited about fall, guys. I'm so ready for fall. Like, I'm over summertime. You guys are still going to see some more summer videos from me, but I'm ready for fall. In my mind, I'm like over summer, like I'm done with it. But yeah, I mean, let me know what you guys thought about these pieces down below. What items you think I should keep and which ones you guys think I should pass on. I always love hearing your feedback, and I know you guys always enjoy like talking with me and sharing with me your finds too. So if you guys got some good stuff from Stitch Fix, definitely let me know. If you guys have tried out Stitch Fix and you're new to my channel, please let me know your experience. And if you guys are interested in trying out Stitch Fix, I do always have a link in the description box down below. I believe the link gives you a $25 credit. So once you get your first box, you'll get $25 automatically credited to your account. And that $25 you can use towards your first purchase. So if you want to get a shirt or something, or if you want to get anything from your box or your entire box, you'll get $25 credited to your first purchase, which is nice. I'm gonna go ahead and wrap up this video. And thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe, give this video a big thumbs up. Check out my Instagram if you are new. But I hope you guys have a great day, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.